Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, what I want to share with you guys is a sneak peek of the next few upcoming videos that I'm planning on putting together for you guys. And it's going to be about a classic board game called the Battleship. If you've been growing up in the 80s and from the 70s to 80s, this was one of the games that probably you had the opportunity to play. It was very popular. And what we are going to do is create a digital version of that. So I'm going to do a quick run through of the actual end product. And then what we'll do over the course of the next few weeks is actually see how to put all of these things together. So this is a turn-based game, which means that players will take turns, and we have two boards over here that get generated, and the player has to go ahead and place their pieces onto the board, and you can do it either vertically or horizontally. And once the player has placed their pieces onto the board, the AI or the other opponent does the same, and the game starts. And pretty much now it's the player's turn again to make the first move. So basically, you randomly would select a particular uh, location on the opponent's board. And if you happen to be lucky to hit a particular location, you get the hit, we visualize it, and the AI does pretty much the same thing. Notice that right now the AI is actually winning us. So their score is 10 and we are 4, so we are running behind. And this keeps on going until somebody wins. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. We are going to discuss how to put together this particular game from concept all the way to design, all the way to the actual implementation. Looking forward to this. And thanks for watching and subscribe to get all of the latest updates coming your way. We do have quite a bit of stuff that we are working on, and hopefully we'll get them to you over the course of the next few months. All right. Thank you and have a good one. Bye bye.